Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study first aid for Fcps Step 1. Begin by understanding the exam's requirements and how first aid serves as a core resource. Next, establish a structured study schedule, dedicating consistent time each day. Gather essential supplementary materials, such as a robust question bank and relevant video lectures, to complement your reading. Finally, take time to thoroughly familiarize yourself with the book's organization and its most important sections before diving deep into the content. Now, let's focus on active learning. As you read first aid, actively annotate and highlight key information, focusing on high-yield facts. Integrate question bank practice from the very beginning, using it to identify your weak areas and reinforce concepts. Implement a spaced repetition system, such as Anki, to ensure long-term retention of the vast amount of material. Additionally, create your own concise notes or flashcards for particularly challenging topics. Consistent review is crucial for success. Regularly revisit previously studied sections of first aid to solidify your understanding and recall. Practice under timed exam conditions, using full-length blocks to build your stamina and manage time effectively. Critically analyze every incorrect answer, understanding why you made the mistake and how to avoid it next time. Always prioritize high-yield topics and frequently tested concepts for deeper, more focused review. As the exam approaches, focus on your well-being. Maintain a healthy lifestyle, ensuring adequate sleep and proper nutrition to keep your mind sharp. Trust in your preparation and avoid the temptation to cram new material in the final days. Develop a clear strategy for managing your time during the exam and approaching challenging questions effectively. On exam day, stay calm and focused, applying all the techniques you've diligently practiced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.